just heading to Snowdon, try and catch the sunrise. It's about 2 AM.
Let's go. I'm getting mesmerised by your backlight.
Dude.
I'll be asleep in a minute. Follow our leader.
Thank you.
No worries. It's quite dark behind you guys.
Not feeling every confidence for Ellen.
Seems like you said, if you boost it, like that surface and stuff, it just slows you.
Yeah. Technical, isn't it?
Just enough space for that.
Yeah. Fucking hell, we're up. Where is it? Took us a lot longer last year to get here. Yeah, we were. Can't remember. Yeah. We sheltered here last year.
And you still kept going, like.
And we still kept going.
That's what I find insane. You didn't get this far and think, fuck it.
No. All good, boss? Yep. Loving life. Living a dream. Are you moaning, Ian?
Is this a hobby or
Yeah.
for charity? Okay.
Yeah.
Wet and windy up there.
What's that? That's all right.
Windy, not feeling easy.
Brave or stupid? One of them.
And the rest of the world is sleeping now.
Yeah.
Have a good one, guys.
Thank you.
Right.
It's got to be pushed in it now. No? Okay.
Say then, is that a hobby?
Is that a hobby?
Yeah.
Nah,
What else would it be then?
doing it for fun.
Right, mate.
No, we're mountain rescue, babe. We're paying for it. Is that a hobby?
Mountain rescue on boys. Yeah, they've took the helicopter off us.
Could be trusted. Don't drive it.
Oh, come on. Who's put all these fucking rocks on a mountain?
Ridiculous idea.
Oh, God, he didn't tell us this. Oh, pardon me.
That's not a good place to dismount. Put the foot down straight over the edge.
Straight up. To your right is the railway track.
I know. Just teasing us, huh?
This is tough. We can't even ride up this. Now that it's not howling. Yeah.
Stairways to heaven.
Yeah.
Celebrate that before we'll die. Oh shit. How far is it saying we got to go now? I don't know, because obviously we went off track, so it's all meaningless now. Meaningless.
Come on.
So just a day.
I wasn't sure whether I was going to put a jacket in.
I so nearly put my heated gloves in as well, and they would be fucking lovely right now. They would. I thought, nah, it'd be fine. It'd be boiling on top.
We are here. Oh, fucking hell. Woo. Oh, Jesus Christ. You alright?
It's hard when you can't feel your fucking fingers, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying to sort mine out. For some reason my remote's not working. I don't know if it's my finger or what. Huh? My remote's not working. I don't know if it's my finger or what.
Fucking hell. Alright? I think my speed sensor's fucked again, because look, I'm not even pedalling. I'm not pedalling. Fuck. Yeah, I'm not even pedalling. Yeah, this is going to be sketchy as shit coming down here.
Keep pushing this bit.
I think so. It's done it before. Holy fuck, look at that! Yep. Look at that! Coming in hot!
Stop here.
Fucking hell. Rolling, 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 rolling. Cheers. Cheers. Thank you. Cheers. Oh my god! Oh my legs! Oh. Drop! Yeah, mate. Right. Whoa! Is that a puncher? Oh, he's got a puncher.
Where?
Yours on the front paw.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gone.
I thought I heard mine go.
I thought I heard yours go as well.
Yeah, I thought it was mine.
See it? Yeah.
Wait, can you see it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
roll it forward.
Yeah,
Both done it.
forward,
There
yeah.
you go.
Oh,
Both did it at the same time.
We both.
you literally done it at the same time, yeah.
I've got
I've got CO2. Yeah.
And I've
Yeah, I am.
We both did that at the same time.
right.
I feel like I paused that. My thought about 30 seconds ago was, we haven't had any mechanic out.
Oh, it's your fault.
So I think Bosie should-
I'm so sorry.
I think Bosie should fix these then.
It's totally my fault, right?
Have you got plugs?
You and my stupid brain.
Carry on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Cheers. Coming through. Thank you.
one.
Oh, there you go.
Come on, I got it.
Yeah, this is going to kill him going down here.
Yeah. Morning. Send it! No, I know. Morning. Morning. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. How's that for a view?
Isn't it? Wow.
Like a ball and all.
Oh, I knew that about you in woods.
Sod's law, innit?
Okay.
Yeah, it was open when we came through.
It was dark.
Yeah, it was open.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright.